Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please first make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. So as you can see right here, our video for today, or our topic for today's video is DIGISTORE24 and how you can make money from DIGISTORE24 using free traffic sources. So in this video I will share with you, if you are a complete beginner, I will share with you the important steps that you need to follow to start making money using this affiliate platform. So for example, as you can see right here, I'm in DIGISTORE24 platform, and as you can see right here, I am searching on the digital products. So DIGISTORE24 is all about digital products. So for myself, or I think the best niche for me is the business and investments, because everybody is looking to improve his business, to start a business and to make money online. And for this we're gonna use, or for this purpose we're gonna use this niche as well. As you can see right here, business and investments. And I will pick a product right here because I need to pick a digital product that I can pick the affiliate link of this product and share it somewhere, and then I can get free traffic to this link, and visitors start purchasing this product and I'm start getting my commissions. So I have the first one right here, which is Crypto Quantum Leap. But the problem, it's really expensive. I think this is not an affordable product for my traffic, or for my visitors. That's why I will skip this one and I will go with the second one, which will pay you $33, which is a 50% commission. So you will get a 50% and 50% for the product owner. So as you can see, this offer is cryptocurrency offer. Is a cryptocurrency offer. And I like to go with this offer because it's about cryptocurrency, and as you know, currently cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all of these stuffs are trendy topic. They are the most trendy topics when it comes to making money online nowadays. So as you can see right here, this is a Keystone Investors Club. So this person, I think this Keystone is the owner or something like that, I'm not sure. So as you can see right here, no, I know the product or the digital product that I can share from DIGISTORE24. So this is the first step. We picked the product or the affiliate offer. Now we need a landing page, and you are a beginner and you don't have any experience with building landing pages, or you don't have any money to start, to purchase some online softwares like ClickFunnels or something like this kind of landing page builders. That's why in this video I'm preferring to go and to use Google Sites. Yes, Google Sites, because it's completely free. You don't need any domain name, any hosting, anything. You don't need to pay any cents in this video. Everything is for free, and it's for beginners. So as you can see right here, I built this landing page. It's everything about just dragging and drop elements. So you can change this image by just click on this change image button, and you can change this image. I just chose this one. You can go with whatever kind of images you want. You can edit buttons, text, everything, images, everything, and links as well. So as you can see right here, I just copy the name of the offer and I put it right here. So to make my landing page switch the offer, so this way the users will click on the link and go and convert with no problems. So as you can see right here, I just entered the title with this button right here, or with this image, or with this PNG image, which is a Bitcoin image, because it's the most famous or known token or crypto. So as you can see right here, I put my affiliate link on this button. So as you can see right here, it says click now. So once someone, as you can see, I will show you the online version. So as you can see, here is how my landing page looks using Google Sites. So as you can see right here, this is what the traffic or the users or visitors will see when they browse my landing page. They will see these things, this title, and this button, this call to action, the CTA. And in this video, report you will learn. So I give them a quick information about what is this offer is about. So you don't need to invest a lot of money to start. In fact, you could test and blah 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 and of this on all of this stuff. And I added another button right here, which is click now, right? So as you can see right here, I will just test it and I will click on it to see what's gonna happen. So once I click on it, I will get redirected to this link automatically, and boom, right now I get redirected to the affiliate page or to the sales page of this product. So as you can see right here, this assets returned 1466% to investors last year. Do you really want to miss out again? And here's the call to action, and if someone clicks on this one, he will get redirected to the checkout page, I think, or to enter his email. So once someone clicks on this button and purchase the product, we will get a 50% in commissions, which is, I think it's something like 35. It's $33, which is really good. So just the person need to enter his informations and his his name and his address, and he will register and he will get asked to pay for this offer. So now we know where we can get, or we know how to pick an offer, right? Just pick one which is affordable for your traffic or for your visitors, so this way you will get as much as possible of conversions. And you need a landing page, and I share with you how you can build your own landing page using Google Sites. As you can see right here, it's really easy actually. It will take only something like 15 minutes and everything will be done, as you can see right here. And this is how it looks, and I will share with you how does it look on mobile versions, because the most of the traffic will comes to this landing page from mobile devices. So as you can see right here, this is how it does look. It looks something like perfect. You need to add more text and more affirmations, more images to make it looks like more legit and more, you know, to make it more good to convert as much as possible. So now we need to know where we can get this free traffic. For this video, I will recommend for you to use this platform, which is Quora.com. So I know you know Quora, you visit this website, or maybe you have an account on it. So Quora is a question and answers platform that you can put your questions right there, and someone that has some experience or some information about your questions and have an answer, he will give you some, you know, some answers. This is how it works. And in Quora.com we have something called topics. Topics is something like, you know, something like forums or, you know, topics. So when you share something under this topic, all of these followers that are following this topic will see your post. So when I type on the search bar crypto and I go to topics, I get all of these results. For example, something like cryptocurrencies right here, it has 737,000 followers. So as you can see, just go under these topics and share your link about, and with some text, recommend for people how to learn, how to go, how to start with cryptocurrencies, how to make money with cryptocurrencies, and just write some posts, some text, recommend for those people your landing page to go through it and to go to convert in the other side on the affiliate product, or yes, digital product. So you can get free traffic using Quora.com. And you know, if you know how to use it, don't spam me. The first thing is to avoid getting banned or your post getting deleted or your account getting banned or frozen. Make sure to not share your affiliate link directly. All the time you need to use a landing page, so this way you will not get banned. And all the time try to post less or few links, because if Quora algorithm watching you, you know, and getting noticed that you keep sharing links, just sharing links, that means that you are doing something like fishy or you are spamming the link. So this way they will block your account. So make sure you are working, you know, really clean. And that was everything for today's video, guys. I share with you how you can pick an offer or an affiliate product, how to build a landing page, and how to get free traffic. And I hope this method will work for all of you guys. If you get some information from or some value from this video, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, any suggestions, make sure to put them on the comment below. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.